Oh. Oh, this must be the finale. You thought it was the cops. I don't know. But the cops just drove by.
Well, they do come in here.
Woo! Don't do that.
Oh, there's a whole crowd over there.
I just encouraged them.
There's a whole crowd of people over there. I wonder why. Holy moly, that's an awful pile of fireworks. It's going pretty fast. Those look like hearts. You'd think you would have stopped if you want. Maybe it's not. Maybe you can't get at it from in here. Maybe it's further away. Somebody spent a lot of money.
Oh, somebody's coming back.
Oh, because those ones I had in West Advocate Beach were like $35 for that little bit we had.
Yeah.
So that was hundreds of dollars.
Well, somebody called the cops.
Yeah, probably. But why? I mean, what harm is it doing?
Well, it was a lot of fireworks, and it's what time?